All right, so now we will start with a chapter straight line. And in the previous chapter, we have done sequence and progression, where in the previous class exactly we have done some questions and a problem solving on sequence and progression. So now we'll go with a straight line. I'm not covering those basic things which you have been doing from your 9th, 10th class, like section formula and distance formula, which I assume you are very well aware of. Got it? So first of all, we'll understand the very basic thing in the straight line, that is slope of a line. So there are two terms basically, inclination and slope. Inclination and slope. Inclination is what? It is the angle which a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. So if this is theta, so inclination is what? Theta. Got it? Now there comes the term slope. Slope is what? It is tangent of inclination, means tan theta. So for any line, its slope tan theta is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For any line, its slope tan theta is what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Am I clear? Now we will do certain basic things about inclination. See, first is, if there is a line passing through the point 1, 2 and 8, 11. 1, 2 and 8, 11. Can somebody tell me what is the slope of this line? Anyone? Roshan, Vaishnavi, Vishnu, anybody? Slope of this line? You may give your answer in the comment section even. What is the slope of this line? Slope, what did I tell you? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope is what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So if line is passing through 1, 2 and 8, 11, it is 11 minus 2 upon 8 minus 1. That is 9 upon 7. So slope of this line will be 9 upon 7. Got it? Second point, if there is a line which is parallel to x-axis, if there is a line which is parallel to x-axis, line parallel to x-axis, then its slope will be 0. Got it? Now, if there is a line which is parallel to y-axis, line parallel to y-axis, then its slope will go infinite. Parallel to y-axis, then its slope will go infinite. Got it? Then a term comes like line is equally inclined to both the coordinate axes. Line is equally inclined to both the coordinate axes. So if it is so that a line is equally inclined to both the coordinate axes, means line is like this or line is like this. So in that case, if it is equally inclined, this angle will go 135 or this angle will go 45 degrees. So 135 degrees and 45 degrees. So in that case, slope of the line can be +1 or slope can be -1. Am I correct? equally inclined with both the coordinate axes. So slope will be +1 or slope will be -1. So these are very basic things about the slope and inclination of a line. Now, let's understand further funders. The equation of a line in general form can be written as ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Equation of a line in general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Any time at any stage, if you see a line in this particular form and now you want to find the slope of that line. Got it? So say it is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we will write that equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So how do I write it? This will be by equals to minus ax minus c. So it is minus a by b into x minus c upon b. Got it? Hello? Sorry. So ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So in that case, we write the line like this. So now whatever the coefficient of x you obtain here, this is the slope. M is minus a upon b. I hope you all are aware of this fact already. Got it? Now, other important things to remember. The slope-intercept form, the equation of a line with slope m and an intercept c on the y-axis is y equals to mx plus c. Got it? Which I just covered with you. Now, point slope form is y minus y1 is slope into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. Got it? Now 2-point form. 2-point form is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. All these formulas you have to remember. So 2-point form is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And then intercept form, equation of a line which cut off intercept of a and b respectively on x and y axis is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. X upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Got it? Now we'll do few questions. Dhruvi, Roshan,
Yes, sir.
are you aware of all these formulas?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll do questions over it. Write down a question. Find the equation of line. Equation of line passing through 2, 3 and 7, 9. Quickly. Equation of line passing through 2, 3 and 7, 9 and find its slope. And find its slope. Quickly. Also Yes, what is the equation of line? So line is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon 7 minus 2, that is x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So it is y minus 3 is 6 by 5 into x minus 2. So it is 5y minus 15 is 6x minus 12. So finally line will be 6x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0. Got it? So this is the equation of a line. Slope, if you judge, then this is the slope. So slope is what? 6 upon 5. One more question we'll do. A line is such that sum of its intercepts is 3 and line passes through 1 comma 1. Then find the line. Yes, means x intercepts plus y intercepts on axis we can mention. A line is such that sum of its intercepts on axis is 3 and line passes through 1, 1. Find the line. Yes, how to do? Yes, quickly, quickly. Yes, see, what is the intercept form of a line? Intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now in the question they are saying sum of intercepts is 3. Means a plus b is 3. So b ko I can write 3 minus a. So x upon a plus y upon 3 minus a equals to 1. Now this line is passing through the point 1, 1. So make it pass through 1, 1. So it is y1 by a plus 1 upon 3 minus a equals to 1. Got it? So it will be 3 minus a plus a will be a into 3 minus a. A will cancel. So there will be quadratic. A square minus 3a plus 3 equals to 0. Now if you realize for this quadratic, what is d? D is negative. Means no real root. So if there is no real root, that means no such a and b exist. So no such intercepts exists. Am I clear? Got it? Now there is a topic which I want to cover, that is locus. Vaishnavi, can you switch on your mic? Vaishnavi, Roshan,
Yes, sir.
are you aware of the word locus?
No, sir.
See, locus is what? It is a path. It is a path or the trajectory followed by a point under certain constraints. It is a path or the trajectory followed by a point under certain constraints. Getting my point? So there can be constraints which they will give you in the problem. Say one simple question I ask you. Say there is a point. Now with this point, this is a pole basically. With this pole, this is a rope attached, and with this rope, there is an animal connected. Say this animal is a bull. Roshan,
Yes, sir.
just switch on, keep your mic on and cooperate. This is a pole, this is a door connected, and on the other end of the door, there is a bull. What will happen?
Sir, the door will break.
Now, if this bull is walking, this rope length is fixed. If this bull is walking, what will happen? On which path bull will move?
Sir, in a straight line.
Yeah, Vardhan replied, on a circle. Bull is attached to this point, so he will move like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So path of the foot of the bull, I will say, it is a circle. Path of the foot of the bull is a circle. Yes or no? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means locus of the foot of the bull. Locus is path. So locus of the foot of the bull is a circle. Now, what is the constraint here? Constraint is that this rope is fixed, is of fixed length. This rope is of fixed length. This point is also fixed. This is the constraint we are having, or bull is having. So under these constraints, locus of the foot of bull, or say eye of the bull, or any point connected to the bull will be a circle. So this is the basic definition of the locus. Now see, there is a question. Find the locus of a point. Find the locus of a point which is always at equal distance from 1, 2 and 3 minus 1. Find the locus of a point which is always moving at equal distance from 1, 2 and 3 minus 1. Now see, I'll do it for you. Say there are 2 points. This point is 1, 2. This point is 3, minus 1. Now there is a point which is moving through them and always at equal distance from both of them. Say this is the point. So this PA equals to PB. PA is equals to PB. Am I correct? Now, first of all, the point whose locus is to be identified, assume it as HK. Now, PA equal to PB means PA square is PB square. PA square is what? H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square is H minus 3 whole square plus K plus 1 whole square. Got it? Now you expand both of them. It is H square minus 2H plus 1 plus K square minus 4K plus 4 is H square minus 6H plus 9 plus K square plus 2K plus 1. Now this H square cancel, K square cancel. So it became 4H minus 6K equals to 5. 4h minus 6k is equals to 5. Got it? Am I clear? Now, now the locus is what? Locus is 4x minus 6y equals to 5. This is your answer. 4x minus 6y is equals to 5. Correct? So this is how we calculate locus. Am I clear? Now, another question is, say these are the coordinate axes. Now there is a rod which is connected like this. Now this rod is sliding on both the coordinate axes. Sliding means like this part is going this side, then this will come down. This part is going this side, then this will go up. So this rod is sliding. A rod of length 10 is sliding on the coordinate axis as shown. Take it like this. Now the first question is, find the locus of midpoint of, say this is A, this is B. Midpoint of rod AB. Second question, find the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB, where O is origin. Yes, give it a try. Very amazing question. Got it? See, I'll rephrase the diagram again. Say this is the rod. Now, first of all, the point whose locus is to be identified, take that point as HK. Got it? Now, definitely this point, y coordinate will be 0, x coordinate is we are yet to find. Here, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate we will find. So, definitely if the midpoint is h, so it has to be 2h. So that 2h plus 0 by 2 comes h. And here y coordinate will be 2k. Am I clear? Now, distance between these 2 points is going to be 10, which is the length of the rod. So now apply distance formula, that is under root of 2h minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 2k whole square equals to 10. So it is 4h square plus 4k square equals to 100. So your locus is x square plus y square equals to 25. Finally, we replace hk as xy because we are always used to see any equation in the terms of xy. So locus is what? X square plus y square is equals to 25. Got it? Got it? Now, second is this is x, this is y. Now this is the rod. Now they're asking for the locus of centroid of this triangle. So let us assume this is a centroid G, which is h comma k. Here both points 0, 0. Here y0, x is yet to find, x0, y is yet to find. See, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to h. So definitely it has to be 3h. And this one has to be 3k. Am I correct? So the distance between them is under root of 9h square plus 9k square equals to 10. So locus will be what? Locus is x square plus y square is equals to 100 upon 9. Am I clear? Locus is x square plus y square is equals to 100 upon 9. Correct? Have a look. Now, this was a bit about locus. Now we'll get back to our concepts. Normal or perpendicular form of a straight line. The equation of a straight line upon which the length, see, first of all, let me give you some idea, which you already have, I think. Now you are trying to find out the equation of this line on which the length of perpendicular from origin is given as P and the inclination which this perpendicular is making with positive direction of x-axis is theta. Got it? So length of altitude from origin to the line is P and the angle which this altitude is making with the positive direction of x-axis is theta. Got it? So the equation of the straight line upon which the length of perpendicular from origin is P, and this perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P, where alpha lies between 0 to 2 pi. Am I clear? So this is the normal form of a straight line. Now, like equation, we will write equation is find the equation of line passing through. Find the equation of line passing through 2, 3 and 4, -2, and then write it in perpendicular form. Find the equation of a line passing through 2, 3 and 4, -2, and then write it in perpendicular form. Yes, any idea? Roshan, how to do? See, first of all, write the equation of line normally. That is y minus y1, y minus 3 is y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1, 2 minus 4 into x minus x1, x minus 2. So y minus 3 is minus 5 upon minus 2 into x minus 2. This minus minus will become plus. 4 minus 2 it will be, not 2 minus 4, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be 2 minus 5 by 2. So then it will be like 2y minus 6 is minus 5x plus 10. So it became 5x plus 2y is equals to 16. First of all, this is the equation of line. Now you want to convert it into the normal form. To convert into the normal form, divide by under root of 5 square plus 2 square. That is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. So it became 5 upon root 29 into x, 2 upon root 29 into y is equals to 16 upon root 29. Now there must be some angle for which cos alpha equals to 5 upon root 29 and sin alpha is equals to 2 upon root 29. That means tan alpha is what? 2 by 5. So equation in perpendicular form or normal form will be what? Cos alpha into x plus sine alpha into y is 16 upon root 29, where angle alpha is tan inverse of 2 by 5. Am I clear? So this is how we convert the equation of a line into its normal form. Done? Now, intersection of lines. Intersection of lines is simply like solving the lines. And this is the formula definitely given here, but you don't have to remember this. There is no need of remembering any formula. Simply apply like elimination method you use or substitution method you use to solve two lines. Got it? Now, distance form or parametric form, this is very important. See, what is the parametric form? Parametric form is, it is the equation of a line in terms of a parameter. Parameter is what? That parameter is in terms of distance. Say, there is a line. There is a line on which you are aware or they have provided you with a point x1, y1. Line is given to you. This is a given line and this is a given point. Now, on this line, from this point, they're asking you to find another point at a distance r from it. Then that means let us assume this point is x comma y. So this distance is what? It is y minus y1. This distance is x minus x1. Line known to me is, its inclination is known to me. That means x minus x1 will be r cos theta and y minus y1 will be r sine theta. So what is the equation of line? X minus x1 upon cos theta is y minus y1 upon sine theta is equals to r. This is the parametric form of a straight line. But yes, we do not or we never use this form to find the equation of a line. When do we use it? So when do we use this form? We particularly use this form when on a given straight line from a given point, you are required to find another point at some other distance. Getting my point? We use this form when on a given line from a given point, we are required to find another point at a given distance. Am I clear? So always you will find 2 points, one above the point, one below the point. So this r is basically algebraic distance. Algebraic distance. We shall be using it with sign plus r or minus r. Got it? Like a simple question if I write, find a point on 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. Find a point on 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0 at a distance 10 from a point 1, 2 on it. See, line is given to you, point is given to you, distance is given to you. You just need to find out the another point. So say this is the line. This is the point 1, 2. You are trying to find out another point on this line at a distance of 10 from it. So what is the parametric equation? X minus 1 upon cos theta is y minus 1 upon sine theta is plus minus 10. Why I use plus minus 10? Plus will give you above point, minus will give you point below 1 comma 2. Got it? Now, theta is what? Theta is the inclination of line. So that means tan theta is what? Tan theta is slope. Tan theta is 3 by 4. Y equal to mx plus c, if you write, you get the slope. So tan theta is 3 by 4. So sine theta will be 3 by 5 and cos theta will be 4 by 5. So put it here. So x minus 1, y minus 2 is there. Point is 1 comma 2 na? Y minus. So x minus 1 upon 4 by 5 is y minus 2 upon 3 by 5 is plus minus 10. Now if I consider positive sign, what will be your x? 8, 4 to the 8 and 1 9. And what will be your y? Y will be 6 and 2 8. This is your first point. Correct? Now if I consider negative sign, your x will be minus 8. So x will be minus 7 and y will be minus of 3 to the 6 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Got it? Roshan got that?
Yes, sir.
Just have a look at it, absorb it. It's not so easy. Vaishnavi got that? Now, the acute angle between the lines having slopes m1 and m2 is given by this. Tan theta is mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Are you aware of this fact? Now, let m1 m2 be the slopes of two lines. Then the lines are parallel if m1 equals to m2. Equation of any line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 can be taken as ax plus by plus lambda equals to 0. You don't have to do anything much. If you are writing a line parallel to another line, simply eliminate the constant c and add another parameter lambda. Got my point? Eliminate the parameter c and add another parameter lambda. The moment you add lambda, you will get a line which is parallel to this one. Okay. So like a simple question, if we do, find the equation of line parallel to 3x plus 4y equals to 7 and passing through 1 comma 3. Give me the answer. See, the line parallel to this one will be 3x plus 4y equals to lambda. This lambda you add to the left side of equality or right side of equality, that does not make any difference. Now make it pass through 1, 3. So if you make it pass through 1, 3, so it will be 3 plus 4, 3 is 12 equals to lambda. So lambda is 15. So you got lambda as 15. Line will be 3x plus 4y is equals to 15. Am I clear? Roshan, clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
So that would be all for today. In the next class, now we will cover